Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a power steering hose on an Acura MDX. First, gather your essential tools, including a set of wrenches, pliers, and a suitable drain pan. Make sure you have a brand new power steering hose and the correct type of power steering fluid. Always prioritize your safety by wearing protective gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process. Begin by safely lifting your vehicle and securing it firmly on jack stands to ensure stability. Next, locate the power steering reservoir, usually found under the hood, and carefully drain all the old power steering fluid into your drain pan. Once the system is drained, you can then proceed to carefully disconnect the old power steering hose from its various fittings and connections. Now, carefully install your new power steering hose, making sure all connections are tight and secure to prevent any leaks. Once the new hose is in place, refill the power steering reservoir with the recommended fresh fluid up to the correct level. Finally, bleed any air from the system by slowly turning the steering wheel fully from lock to lock several times. After installation, it's crucial to perform a thorough inspection of all new connections for any signs of fluid leaks. Start the engine and test the steering for smooth operation and proper responsiveness. Listen for any unusual noises. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Regular fluid checks will help maintain your power steering system's longevity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.